for a table setting, I'm going to use one of these like seagrass mats from Dollar General. I think these were $3. And I'm going to combine that with one of the blue chargers from Dollar Tree. I just got this at Dollar Tree. I think these are so cool. And the natural textures of that placemat are perfect for this theme. And then for a plate, I'm just going to use one of my Ray Dunn plates. You could always use the lemon plates from the Dollar Tree too if you're lucky enough to find them. I could not find any. I could only find the bowls at my store. And for napkins, you have a couple of different options. You could use the paper napkins from the Dollar Tree. You could put it on there just like that. You could open it up halfway and do like a lemon slice like that. You could even open it up all the way and cover your plate completely if you wanted to. But that's a fun way to use those napkins. I wanted to try to do some cloth napkins just because I thought it would look a little bit better. And I found these beautiful cloth napkins at Dollar Tree. You get 2 of them in a package, and I think they're really high end for Dollar Tree napkins. They do have some pesky tags in here. I'm going to trim that off. They do have care instructions on there, but I don't really want them to get in the way. And I'm going to make some really simple lemon napkin rings using the wood bead garland from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to leave a little bit of the wood beads on there like that and estimate about how large I want it to be. I cut off a few extra there on the wood bead so I have enough twine to tie this, and I just tie that into a knot, giving me a super simple napkin ring. Isn't that so beautiful? I love these things from the Dollar Tree. They have them in all different kinds of fruit for summer, and of course I had to get them all. Now my napkin was a little wrinkly, and so I just gave it a quick iron there with my heat press, and then I just pinch it right in the middle. We're going to do a very simple fold here, and I'm going to put this on upside down because that's the way that I'm going to want to lay it on my plates. And I just pull the little napkin ring up where the lemon comes down in front. Something really easy, just a really simple fold, if you can even call it that. And I want to do that and lay these actually on my plates. I'm not going to set my kitchen table with silverware, but I did want to do napkins. And so let me show you what this looks like. I think that napkin material goes really well with those placemats that I got at Dollar General with the natural materials. It's not really bright, but the lemon itself is really bright, and it goes really nicely with those blue chargers, I think. And I think it would be really cute too if you had the lemon plates from the Dollar Tree to do something like this as well. So this is one place setting on my table. And I am going to go ahead and do 3 more of these. So the entire table will be set with this beautiful tablescape.